Well, good morning or good afternoon or whenever you're watching this video. Today I made something that I haven't made before. It's not marble machine. It is not some kind of a electronically run thing or some kind of a game. It's this escalator. And this escalator, you can download it down below. I'm going to put where you can download it and print it. Now make sure that one of the things that you're going to print is this uh, uh, assembly bracket because when you're putting these pieces in, as a matter of fact, let me show you what they look like. I got a couple spare ones. Uh, they look like this at each step, okay? And uh, and you basically put it in into this bracket in in a fashion way like that, and then you have to put then the next one and next one and next one. Now, then there are these little chain links that you have to connect one to the next, all the way around. By the way, I had to redo it like 3 or 4 times because it kept falling apart. I When I put this piece in, it didn't want to, it didn't find the pins, which is these little things sticking out. And as you notice, that one is longer than the other. That's the short one, and that's the long one. See that? So that make sure that you do that and watch the video. There is a assembly video, but it goes really fast. So I'd like watched it 10 times just to make sure. And then even then, I decided to do it slightly differently than what they showed in there. Uh, One of the problems when you are assembling this, it's all jiggly and not not in the right spot. These steps, they tilting one in, one out. So it's quite a you have to be patient, very patient. Okay, and uh, what I end up doing is there is a third piece below this thing here, which this is the track of it. And so I actually assembled this part, the gold part, and this black part together with these two screws. And then I used that. And then later on, I removed these two screws and then this one screw over here. And then I lifted this gold piece up a little bit to put in that yellow gear that makes the steps to go, up and down. So here I'm gonna bring it to this monitor here so you can see it. It's very satisfying now, and it's very smooth, by the way. I was thinking to do the motorized version, but I don't have the space to put any more motors and batteries and so on. So I figured out I'll just do it manually, and which is kind of a satisfying to just to play with it. I hope you enjoy this video. And as usually, give me thumbs up. It doesn't cost you anything. And have a fantastic day.